Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss again journey of a fresher in TCS from exam to project allocation. Before that, please subscribe our channel because we are going to deliver every information related to most of the IT industries or IT companies, most of the famous IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon, Google, and lot of other companies also. So make sure to subscribe our channel. So let's discuss. So the first thing that you give is give NQT. You have already gave NQT or you will be going to give NQT National Qualifier Test Exam. Okay. If you get high marks in NQT, that means over than more than 90%, then you will get a profile for digital. In that you need to give interview, and if you qualify there then you will get digital profile, that means more package, more money. If you if you didn't qualify over there, then you will get ninja profile. Okay. And if you got not that much marks, then you will get ninja profile, that's okay. Okay. One other way to get digital profile is code vita also, we will discuss it later. Okay. So after 15 to 30 days after this exam, you will get a mail with Congo or sorry. Congo, that means you are selected in the TCS. Okay. And sorry. Okay. And after this 15 to 30 days, then you will also get a mail for the interview timing, interview slots, or interview day. On what day you will get interviewed by the TCS associates. Okay. And then after this interview, you will get offer letter after 10 to 20 days of previous mail. Okay. So around total time you will get in the for the joining for getting offer letter in TCS, it will take around 30 to 45 days. Okay. From exam to offer letter. Okay. And after getting offer letter, you will get a mail for explore portal. Okay. Portal open for training. There is what will happen there. There are basically various courses over there like Java, Python, .NET. These are the three programming languages. Along with that, there are a lot of things available there like SQL, HTML, and lot of webinar. And one of the most important thing over there is agile. You will get to know when you get into the IT industries. Okay. Then you will know what is agile is. Okay. So during this training of Explore, you will get two assessments in every month for the joining bonus. Okay. And that examination name is CPA or IPA. DCA is something different that I will tell you after later. Okay. So CPA and IPA. There are two assessments for the joining bonus. Or what is joining bonus? That we already know in the previous video, that if you qualify these assessment with the 80%, then you will get 60K as a bonus. And if you qualify that exam with 55% or more, then you will get 40K as a incentive. And DCA is some exam that you will give for the digital profile. During these days you will get some time, and maybe one or two time for this exam. Okay. So there are lot of uh, webinars also present for you because okay, sorry for this because this is a training. I think the spelling of training is not correct, but it's okay. In the training time, you will get webinars from the TCS leaders who are doing great over there. And after this, you will get a joining letter around the April or May. When your college is going to end, your graduation is going to be completed, then you will get joining letter. Okay. And most probably when you get offer letter, after that you will get a mail for choosing the date at the portal, on what day or month you want to join TCS. Okay. So most probably 80 to 70% guys that get joining letter as per the date preferred by you. Okay. And then In the joining letter, there is a date mentioned for the onboarding. So most probably it is Thursday or Friday of in the week, and these 2 days for the induction. And after that, there will be a 1 week BT, that is business training. Okay, if you already get 80%, then only 1 week BT will happen over there. Okay, and then you will get next process. And if you haven't qualified from the rest from the exam in training time, then you will get 1 week BT business training, then technical training, and then assessment till you qualify. And you need to give the exam then till you qualify. Okay, so you have to give again and again until when you qualify. Okay, and congratulations, soon you will get after 1 week of business training, you will get a call from RMG for the project allocation. Then it will be there will be a short interview from RMG, and they will try to allocate with project. Okay, so this is the whole process in in TCS, from exam to project allocation. This is how everything is going on. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel. Hope we are doing great, and you also doing great. Thank you so much.